Hello everyone, this is Argha and welcome back to my channel. Today with this video I am going to start a new series where I will discuss about all the basics C programming examples with their solutions, and then we will start approaching towards the intermediate level. So let me just start with a very quick introduction to the programming. So first of all we will see what the programming is. The programming is a plan to happen something at a particular time. Basically, in C language, the programming is nothing but a language to communicate with the system, with the computer. As in our daily life, we talk in English or Bengali or Hindi, so we need to talk in this programming language to communicate, to tell something to the computer. So we will give some instruction with this code to the system, and then the corresponding output or the result will be returned from the computer. So programming is nothing but a new language to learn. Let's get started with our very basic Hello World program today. For your kind information, let me tell you, this is not going to be a tutorial video, and I am not going to teach you all the C programming concepts. I will just discuss about the problems. I will discuss about the logic building, and I will show you the step-by-step approach to solve a given question. So finally we have came to our coding environment. Right now I am using replit.com website. This is an online resource. You can use this as your code editor as well as a programming compiler to run your programs. If you want to see in detail how I do programming using my Android smartphone, you can check the description box below. I will give you the link of all the related videos I have discussed earlier. Now let's start typing our code. First of all, we need to include the header file, which is stdio.h. Your C program must have included this file because all the compiler defined functions are already written in this header file. Next, we must have a main function. A C program must have at least one function including main function. So we write int main because the return type of the main function is int, means this main function is going to return a integer value as the output. So as of now, this is the ultimate basic structure of a C program. Now as we want to print a hello world as the output, we will add the printf function inside the main function, and we will simply write hello world under the double quote. Whatever you write inside the double quote is going to be printed on the screen as the output. And here after hello world, the \n means a new line character. This \n is called a new line character, which will print a new line after this hello world. Then we have to give the return value. Here we will simply write return 0 because our main function have no integer value to return. So now we are done. This is the ultimate code to print hello world on the screen. While we run this code, as you can see on the screen, it will print hello world as the output. And now if I want to change this with my name, let's say I write hello Argha, which is going to print hello Argha as the output. So this is the thing. I hope you understand all the things, and if you found this video helpful, please write me in the comment section that this video is helpful, and don't forget to keep subscribing my channel to get notified with my future videos. So thank you so much for watching till the end. I will come back with the next video in this series. So till then, goodbye.